In this video, we are going to review Babel Audio Job AOS. You can see this is Glassdoor, and this company has a moderate size of good reviews, mainly positive. These employees say, "Always paid me on time." Pros: the work is interesting, the scripts are pretty diverse, and they always pay me on time. I value the flexibility to work on my own schedule and in my own house. Cons: nothing yet. They're pretty good, this one says. Work for free, under the guise of being tested. Pros: really none come to mind. This transcription job is fake and exploitative. Cons: it's a scam to get people who really need to work to get a bunch of tasks this one good side income. Pros: good side income to complementary to a full-time job. Projects are interesting if you perform well and participate often. Good salary per hour, and you get paid every week. Cons: no training whatsoever. Lack of communication from the team. Babel Audio Bengali project was fun and easy Bengali language expert. Pros: anyone can register and work if their accent is native. Faster payment. Good communications, easy to work. Cons: they review audio with bad QA, they have AOTP issue, great gig for voice acting. Pros: allows me to work for when I have time between acting gigs/jobs. Cons: it would be great to get more diverse projects. So this was an easy and quick process video as always. Thank you for watching.